राउडी शीटर दिख रहे हैं, नहीं पूछना आप ऐसा कहीं के लिए आते हैं? ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन को कहीं को आते हैं? बोलो कोई पुलिस का जुल्म हुआ तो आते हैं। नहीं पूछना आप।
You are a police officer, that's all. You are posted here to.
That is actually that is no problem to anybody.
Anybody.
Before
I started from the house, standing outside my house, tried to stop me. I told them we are not having any dharna or anything. I am going to address a press conference. The team was led by ACP Abbots, Narayanguda Inspector Abbots. They stopped me and so I asked me, okay, I am literally they got hold of me from here and they brought me outside. पूरा ये हाथ मोड़ दिए सर, ये पूरा ये हाथ मोड़ के एक गल्ला पकड़ के कारपोरेटर को ऐसा, I am a second time कारपोरेटर. My father was in politics for 40 years, Amanullah Khan, and he was respected by all communities, all community officers. Why he has given these instructions, I do not know. Under whose political pressure he is giving instructions, I do not know. So I am praying to you because Human Rights Commission.
It's a direct manhandling. That's a very important person to be seen.
One injured was with me.
number is this.
పోలీసులు అడ్డుకున్నారని ప్రెస్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్లో హెరాస్ చేశారని తన కాళ్ళు లాకప్లో పెట్టి సీజ్ చేశారు, కారు సీజ్ చేశారని సమగ్రమైన దర్యాప్తు జరపమని తగిన చర్య తీసుకోమని అది పోలీసు అధికారులపై ఒక కంప్లైంట్ ఈరోజు దాఖలు చేయడం జరిగింది. దాని మీద డీజీపీ హైదరాబాద్ని 28 లోపు రిపోర్ట్ సబ్మిట్ చేయమని ఉత్తర్వులు జారీ చేయడం.